Hey, Matt here with Ford Lawyer Marketing. Wanted to go over a quick case study of a divorce and family law firm that we're doing both search engine optimization for as well as pay-per-click management. Now, when we start an SEO campaign, after we go through a thorough analysis and discuss what your needs are and put together a program that's going to help bridge that gap between where you are and where you want to go, one of the first things we do is keyword research. We're going to identify keywords that fit what you want to attract as far as clients goes, and then we're going to agree upon what keywords we're going to start based on that keyword analysis and then your needs as well. So usually we start with anywhere between 20 and 50 keywords depending on which program makes sense for your law firm. In this case, we started with 20 keywords, and this particular firm, the keywords that we started working on, you'll notice he was not ranking as far as his benchmark goes in the top 100, or essentially the first 10 pages of Google. So we had a lot of work to do in order to push his rankings up, make his site more relevant on Google, and we got to work right away. So our SEO campaign consists of content marketing, link building, Google business profile optimization, and technical SEO. So if you fast forward to present time, we've added more keywords into the mix. And as of right now, of the now 207 keywords we're focusing on, his site is ranking on page one for 186 of those, and 18 more are on page two. So if you look at these keywords, you'll notice the benchmark again, 100 plus, meaning he was buried in the search results. Last month, he was ranking anywhere from 1 to 6. Now, what that means is a 1 would be the first page at the first spot. A 6 would be first page, sixth spot. And these little pins right here denote the fact that he would be ranking in the first spot in the local map section. So we've seen significant improvements in his rankings, and as a result, his traffic has improved. Now, his benchmark traffic in July of 2021, at this time, he was running a pay-per-click campaign as well as an SEO campaign with a different agency before we took it over. He was getting 608 visitors to his site, of which 330 were organic visitors. Now, an organic visitor would be someone, for example, typing in your city divorce lawyer or your city personal injury lawyer and then finding your site. They're finding your site through a search engine such as Google. That is an organic session or visitor. So we had 330 of those. Now, if you fast forward to last month, December of 2022, you'll notice that he's seen significant improvements, not only in his total traffic, because the organic traffic has increased as well by about 600%. So that's what's really driving that traffic. So this didn't happen overnight. It took time in order to build up to this, but this is just a left and right comparison of where he was and where he is now, and we're going to continue to make progress on that end. Now, I understand that traffic is not the end all be all. That does not necessarily mean retain clients, but it is a prerequisite in order to get that client to your site so that they can contact you. So if you look further down the funnel, he had the same call tracking software that we use as well at that time. When he was running his pay-per-click campaign and his SEO campaign in July of 2021, we noticed he had 32 calls, 19 unique callers in that particular month. Now, he has increased his pay-per-click budget a little bit. It's not been a significant amount, so it's not a completely apples to apples comparison. But if you look at last month's data, he got 128 phone calls and 99 of which were unique callers, so about a 400% increase. And the mix is it's about 50-50. Obviously, in this case, a little bit more Google Ads calls than there are SEO organic calls, but that's increased significantly as well. Furthermore, with our Google Business Profile Optimization last month, he had 74 additional calls on top of those. So basically, he's seeing about 200 calls month to month, every single month. And this has been pretty consistent over the last 6 months or so. So if you're a law firm, whether it's criminal, family, estate planning, divorce and family, personal injury, let us know. We'll give you an objective review of your site, how you stack up. If you have a current marketing agency, they might be doing a great job, but we'll shoot it to you straight. We're not going to pile in a very pressure a sales pitch. We're going to show you what we think we can help you with, and if it makes sense, great. But we're going to tell you about the best practices of what we're doing, and if it makes sense, we can take it from there. So just wanted to go over this quick case study, and give us a call if you want to discuss.